Alright, here we go live again. I'm recording this through Screencast, Streamomatic. So if you see the link under my YouTube video, please go ahead and utilize my link for this powerful information that I give away for free. Pretty much, and that'll be the way how I can earn by teaching you all, unless you're in my extensive joint venture program where we have transactional funding available. We have private money available. We get into private placement programs. We have private placement attorneys available. We have individuals that are excellent at raising 50 million contacts, such as even Mr. Cloth himself. So, okay, well, let me get to it. Stop all of the bragging. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you all is this is exactly one of the things. This is briefly what I do. So, okay, I go on your clerk of court's site, somewhere where you find the properties, whatever county it is. I can go in any county in the United States, definitely, and I'm expanding in the world right now as we speak. We have a waterfront Mexico property that's for sale, and I want 1.1 million. Don't mind what I'm getting it for or what I got it for. Okay, so to go to the property area, we're gonna copy and paste the name of the investor that has purchased the property. Like I say, it's more extensive views of this in the training program, but this is just to skim the surface for you right now. Then we take that name, copy and paste that, highlight it. Alright, copy and paste however you do it. Control C, or you hit your right click and then hit copy if you like. I already did this, so I'm not going to really be doing it all the way. So then you go to your Secretary of State website. You're going to pull up and find out who is the managing member, who is the president. When they say they're the president, they're a title junkie, so that sticks out like, I'm the decision maker, So you normally want to contact those guys if you see president as the title. This is the title. This title here is, he's basically a manager, member of this. I think this is a LLC. Most of the time with LLCs, you're going to see managing members. And we have programs that get deep extensively into that and how you can use LLCs as a vessel, along with using trust as a vessel. And it's just a whole steep of stuff. Exchanges and tax breaks and exemptions. We're not the perfect ones at that. We have, like I say, attorneys for that as well too. So, okay, so we go over here. But whatever you want to utilize, I try to make sure that it doesn't cost as much as possible to work the things out with new individuals that start, because they're going to need to invest in our program. So we work and show them the best ways that they can do it with the least amount of startup. So then we'll go over here to one of our systems, and we will copy and paste. So I already had it copied. Let me see if I already sent this one off, so you guys kind of seeing it live. I think I already sent one off to him. So this is the text message system that I do it from. So you don't even need a cell phone, so you can use your cell phone for something else, like listening to music in the background or some motivational stuff, whatever the case may be. But you don't even need a cell phone. Okay, so but this is linked to a cell phone, so I can respond to them later on the cell phone. And some people might use the PBX. As we speak right now, we are building our own PBX for individuals that are in a diamond package for our joint venture program. But however, if you're just starting out and you came in with the minimum amount, that's okay, that's fine. You can use Google Voice. I have a few other ones you can use. I can show you all those different type of hacks. That's the great thing about me. I'm going to show you stuff rock bottom. You know, that's pretty much where I came from. Well, rock bottom of the top. You know, that's what I like to say, because I never came from the bottom. I came maybe from the bottom of the top. Yeah, just talking shit this morning. So, all right, so we already texted them. So we're gonna go over. We're gonna get another contact. I'm gonna get every contact all the way down here to 2018. You know why? Because the guy that falls short, he's gonna only do 2 or 3 of those. I'm not. I'm doing all of them. So if I get in contact with your mama, I don't give a shit. Do you need to buy this property? We got property right now. So let's go. You know, I'm telling your mom that. I'm gonna tell your mom that we got property. You know, so anyway, enough of talking trash. Okay, I have a Word document set up. I go through, copy and pasting. As you can see, I just change it. You can copy this template. If you don't want to copy the template, I can even make it even more easier for you. And you can just email me at, okay, what we want to do for this one for you guys. You know what? We're going to keep it simple. I'm going to say business property inc at gmail.com. Right? Yeah, here's my password. Yeah, I bet you would think that's the damn password. But anyway, that's it. Business property inc at gmail.com. If you didn't get a chance to take that email down right there in that short period of time that I posted it, then just comment on the YouTube page, and that would allow for me to see your comment. You're making noise. I can see you. You're on my radar. I'm gonna summon you, and you're summoning me, and I'll be there for you, better than your daddy. So, all right, here we go. Copy and paste this. Same thing. The one previous, whole different buyer. I did him like that. I always tell people, man, at least do 10 of these a day. You know, I got a very busy schedule. I'm dealing with foreign property. I'm dealing with property, 32-acre islands in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina. You know, so we got big stuff going on. I can't spend my whole day doing this. And we do have assistants that do it as well. But I wanted to step down from my throne and, you know, hop down from heaven and show you guys exactly how to do it. And without spending a whole lot of money. You know, you go through a lot of these other guys. They haven't been where I've been, and they haven't came from where I came from. So guess what? They're going to show you all the ways how to spend your money. But they're going to show you how to spend your money. And when they show you how to spend your money, you're not going to really know how to. You need to be a fucking ninja. You need to be able to work. You need to be able to grab a tool or grab whatever you can that's around you and kill the competition. Just like that. Yeah. You know, we're hitting with a bunch of energy this morning. Okay, so I'm going a little slow, guys, because I'm actually showing you guys the video. So, just so I don't give myself any excuses and you any excuses neither to move slow, we're going to try to pick up the pace here. It actually be pretty cool because it will make me move faster. Shit, it's a declaration. Always make declarations to yourself, you know. Say them out loud in front of a bunch of people. You know, make yourself have to step up to the plate. So we're moving faster now. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Go. Let's rock and roll. Go. Let's rock and roll. Go. See, and this is how I want it to be, man. The people that work with me, you know, I really don't mess with a lot of people unless they're very serious. I don't like people wasting my time, you know, and I don't want to waste your time. So what I like is individuals that, man, they want to get to it. They want to take over the fucking planet, man. We want to take over the world. We're gonna buy the Vaticans. We're gonna buy the Vatican Church. Yes. We're gonna buy the Jewish temple. Yes. We're gonna buy the Egyptian Orthodox Catholic Church that been around before the Vatican. You know what I'm saying? We want to shit. We buying. We're gonna look at it. Somebody hitting back live. It's fucking live. Do you see this shit? Live. You hear my phone ringing in the background? This is no joke. Like, no joke. I'm showing you guys live shit. Real shit. I'm working. I ain't picking up the phone for y'all. You gotta fit my program. Fuck a buyer. Look at all these buyers. There's plenty of buyers. I don't need not one. Well, actually, I do. I need all my buyers. I love all my buyers. I love all my buyers. Now, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a warning. Y'all hear me on these videos? Don't go schizophrenic like me. Like, I'm a business serial killer. I think on my left and my right side of my brain. Like, I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm just sick. I'm so sick in this shit. I don't do nothing else. I don't have fucking friends. You know why I don't have friends? Because everybody want to have fun. Well, you know what? Fun for me is taking over the fucking world. That's what fun for me is. Actually, being massively aggressive, being an alpha male, hitting these guys up, outrunning everybody else like I'm totally competitive, like I will eat my competition head off. And anybody who is with me, anybody who's working with me, we're on it. We're crushing. This is what we do. We crush it. We crush it. Did he respond back at one of those numbers? Let me see. He already responded back. Is that 662-9185? 662-9185? Okay, we got him. Fuck him. Let him sit. Should we? He just called me. I'm on a mission right now. Nobody gets off track. On to the next guy. On to the next one. Oh, that's enough for this video. You want to join the joint venture? Come fuck with me. Rock with me. I promise you, it's no one else that is more down to earth. There's no one else that is going to take you through the trials and tribulation right now as we speak. I made like 30K in the last, I don't know, fucking maybe 30 days. And guess what? I spent it all on my family. I spent it all on investments. So you know what I got to do? Now I got to go and get 60K. Yes, I'm fucking sick. See you. Holla at me. Like it. Comment. Check it. Subscribe. Out. Bang. Take over the world. With me. Without me. It don't matter. Just do it.